Most developers right now are wasting weeks wrestling with abstract AI frameworks, wiring up basic APIs, and writing the same boilerplate code just to get a simple chatbot off the ground. But there is a shortcut. It's a repository by Shubhamsaboo called Awesome LLM Apps. With over 122,000 stars on GitHub, it is one of the highest authority resources on the platform. This is a massive collection of over 100 ready-to-run AI templates. The workflow is incredibly simple. You clone the repo, plug in your API key, and you ship. The entire codebase is Apache 2.0 licensed, meaning it is 100% open source and completely free for commercial use. A library of 100-plus templates promises a massive head start, but managing that much code frequently turns into a full-time maintenance job. We need to see if the utility actually outweighs the overhead. We'll start with the most visually impressive capability in the repo: Generative UI Agents. Standard AI wrappers usually give you text back in a basic chat window. These agents operate differently. They generate interactive React components, specifically ShadCN UI, on the fly. Ask the AI for a project management tool, and it renders a complete Kanban board. Because the code is functional, you can immediately drag and drop cards and click buttons. This specific template moves us past using AI to answer questions, turning it into an engine that dynamically builds custom software on demand. Beyond generating interfaces, the repo pushes heavily into autonomous execution. The standout here is the browser MCP agent. This agent uses the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to drive a live web browser. You give it a command in plain English, and the protocol translates that text into direct clicks and navigation. Then there are tools built with a sense of developer humor, like the Project Graveyard agent. You point it at your GitHub profile, and it audits all of your abandoned side projects. It diagnoses exactly why the code died, and writes up a structured plan to resurrect the ones actually worth finishing. And that barely scratches the surface. There are dozens of other specialized templates, like DevPulse AI, which acts as a multi-agent signal intelligence team for engineering managers. When you combine browser automation with project analysis, the repository stops being a list of toys and becomes a library of specialized agents that actually perform work. But utilizing a massive repository like this is not completely frictionless. Because you're dealing with over 100 templates on rapidly updating frameworks like LangGraph and Crew AI, you run a very real risk of dependency hell. A single core update can lead to a massive cascade of import errors and completely broken virtual environments. And then there is the financial reality. The open source code is free, but the execution relies heavily on paid APIs from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. If you spin up advanced multi-agent teams and let them loop autonomously without careful monitoring, your API costs will skyrocket. Still, despite the setup friction and the potential API costs, this repository provides massive value. It completely eliminates the need to build infrastructure from scratch, letting you skip straight to customizing a working template. Building a production-ready app today means starting with a proven architecture and then customizing it for your specific data. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. We review tools like this every week, so you're always ahead. Now, if you liked this massive AI collection, you're going to love our breakdown of AutoGPT's latest update. Click the video on your screen right now to dive into the new AutoGPT features, and we will see you in the next breakdown.